Jared Gardner here from Remax, and with 2018 coming to an end, I want to discuss with you some amazing trends that we're going to be looking at for 2019 and what's going to be going on in the real estate market. I just finished reading PricewaterhouseCoopers' 108-page 2019 trends, and I'm going to take a couple of the main points on what they spoke about. The first one is really going to be coming down to around investors and land and finding a good investment property. Good deals are harder to find right now. The home prices have continued to go up. Rents have not followed to the same point, and wages to develop have increased. That's harder and harder to find a good deal on the investment side. When we're looking at interest rates have gone up quite a bit in 2018, and in 2019, they're talking about going up possibly another half a point to a complete point. What does that mean? It's going to make it a lot harder to qualify for that mortgage, and if you've locked in 4, 5, 3, 2 years, whatever your mortgage term is left, it's going to be a little bit more tougher to maintain that low mortgage payment you had. So when you're working with a buyer, the main thing I stress here is just because a mortgage broker said you're qualified up to $1 million doesn't mean you may want to spend to $1 million. Let's look at a long-term plan to make sure that you don't become house poor. Affordability. As interest rates increase, it's just going back to basic economics. Affordability is going to decrease, which means every dollar that's going to be, every 100,000 you're going to be borrowing, you're going to be paying more in interest. So be prepared that you're not going to be able to afford as much as you would. And that what also follows that is the purchasing power you're going to have is now going to start decreasing. We look at the condo market. We still have a huge supply issue. There is not enough issue in the resale market, and we're seeing that right now in the Toronto market where condo prices have increased a lot. We're seeing a lot of bully offers, and the prediction is that we're still not going to have the supply that is needed. So if you are looking at the condo market, be prepared. You may need to act quickly and have your finances in order. And with the low price, what does that do? It means prices should continue to increase for the condo. When we look at the single family residence, it's still a good market. However, with interest rates and affordability coming up, this could put some undue pressure on the single family detached market. So it's something to watch for 2019, and let's see where it takes us. And finally, let's go to the GTA and surrounding area. Everyone keeps telling you prices cannot continue to go up in Toronto. Well, affordability, first off, in Toronto is going to be an issue that is not going to be going away. Prices have been increasing, and one of the main reasons is immigration. We're at a 15-year high for immigration, and demand for housing is continuing to go up. I can continue to talk about this. I've talked for almost 3 minutes. If you have any more questions and you want to divulge in any of these topics, please give me a call directly at 647-338-4475, and I'd love to divulge in this topic a little bit more moving forward. Again, thank you very much for your time. Jared Gardner from Remax.